apostle anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno ebie wo mo ensem ede amasa nkrofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema eno nti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo mo adwuma so ani nti no adansifo age wo mo atum ni true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda
Kasa ni achebrofo aguetrim ni aka na sabe yenkura asesam no bi ka brofo akwadi wo yade o akufo ade ba afofra no who see na brofo president ba ka brofo ene ene no ye wo no brofo ana wo ka ebi no abodam sem bi na ka brofo de ben saa ye dede ne saa ne hwi ni ho abibi ni tumi ye hwi ni wa tumi ye
China yama and I'm not abuso. China yama and I'm not abuso. Biday, our biday, wapia, biday, our biday, wapia. I'm not abuso. Biday, our biday.
Tigana Nico invested no we are brofo kasatenten. Brofo wo wiase nyina ye beka kasa ni ache brofo aguetrim nyaka na sabe yenkura asesam no bi ka brofo akwadi wo ane yate ho stage no ye wo no brofo ana wo ka ebi no abodam wo de ka brofo we yasam bro na brofo de ben na sabe yenkura asesam bi na ka brofo de ben saa ye dede ne saa ne hwi ni ho abibi ni tumi ye hwi ni wa tumi ye
China yama and I'm not abuso. China yama and I'm not abuso. Biday, our and I'm not abuso. Biday, our biday, wapia, biday. Oh biday, wapia.
Doctor, 1 city. On va vers ça coûte 3 city. Ya kanu manu gege. Ya ba yan so. Doctor, 1 city. On va vers ça. Ana doctor 3 city. Ya kanu manu gege. Ya disekasu. Ya ba yan so. Doctor, ya disekasu.
Jimmy so say yete ensam so menua me bomu ba ko a na otimi hu say mia na me wa no mia me di dwumadi ebro me di limo video na airplane na man no kasa no I want to give a bit knowledge on it. Cameraman me person who play video na man no kasa based on say obi te brofo obi nim say o te brofo na all kasa no. Let's play that video. And I have something to say about it. Share video yeah. Watch that say Ghanaians feel say obi a wote brofo na wo nyansa there be enye obi wote brofo because okwa abrochi memu aye wo brofo ni a wabodam your brofo ni a wote prison nso waka brofo well politically ena nkofo ahwe na woka say oh akufo adobai oka brofo obi ase hey oka brofo pa. Now let me do this analysis on this. Let it show up on me. Okay, mami ke be sure. Bible can be say lack of knowledge, fact. Okay, lack of knowledge, my people perish. No. Now when Yankopon say ni nkofo wo nyansa, they organize or yemfa say smart. Because fair natity, award to because samre no they have brain and omo nyansa say e was say oh ya wo omo nyansa say o say say. Now, so they do not have the chance to embrace way and during the month to penses no 5 days near twice no a free period. They feel say oba message say boy they only in that. They don't have any idea, but they were wise or something. And now coming on knowledge. Knowledge is something you have acquired through theoretical and practical understanding. Now knowledge in a can hear. Won't say and net. Oh, theoretically no. Obi akọ school and what be who say oba kra se be oni ni da wo woni oba da after the period no betimi ni obi be e no free period eye knowledge no obi akwayo enye se nipa ni wise wa acquire knowledge and wa study bibi through practical reason fine enu si wo no ebia ene knowledge nti ena the richest man in the world, Elon Musk. And who say, obey bibi, what you say? A smartness and knowledge problem. Man, this statement now we're making it. Now we're making it now because some comfort feels a cabrofo. But being worldwide or nationwide, you now we are so living in life, but we don't apply wisdom now. But in the olden days, now you pay for was applying wisdom, but they were not applying knowledge because they were not. They did not know how to do because. Knowledge dey nya no bi hwe ponko no say ase de ponko ya nyoma no ye betuma ya bia betuma tumrika and ase de enoma etuko wiem no we won say no we cannot be limited ye betuma ya de betu ti say anoma e de be a play far distance. Now they acquire what? Knowledge. But say na say ya ba acquire knowledge no, but right now human being itself you free wisdom because wisdom no it goes with mother nature. You understand nature, but say nipa understanding nature. Ya say wo wiase ayenam by ne enye nu ntina me wa on say ye nua bema bright but nan say no wo be hu no answer na the sports show ni beba no there is a man be oye morning shows but nan say no ebe mu no bright can come back betina say then he will be talking politically about what is going on, meaning Ghana for a sports host man to come and sit on a show that does not have anything to do with him. Now about tenacity no obeka wasema. Na no chire say or mind there is something that need to be added. Ubefi, how did you went home to meet your girlfriend or your wife? So if you want to get wife to me kasa, you come to me iska obo to mu farm no. O guess na free on to me fa call ni bio. Because on my nimu ayeti. On my nimu ayeti. On my nimu ayebasa. Country people are working, but they don't know how to. They only do musika eyamo. Educationally, I am poor. Bibia pansam. Ejumani ebe peniswa yensem. Eti, come on man. You know, I want you to play me this video. That when the old lady was crying out. Yeah, she says it is castle. Said you are not kind. Singing me. You should video. We are talking, you think it's fun. But this is the grievances of Ghanaians. This is the grief of Ghanaians. Wait, the camera and so Ghanaians are bitter to see the ground to me now. And they are booked out to me because 4 cities. And you think the country Mama Yanko play video now. Bright Kankam would talking based on simply how
oh yeah na areho say and the system abeye bribe and it's not good for us. And then I may bam so no kwame dinkra morning show for more any political host for more kuma any host for kwama mo political programs masra mo say do baby a mo moye kakra e ya na me ya na nsem te say mabunu abeba bi tie mo na se be predas ya fa abawum ni ani agea ni etiti we kwame dinkra betena ndc betena na mpp betena we kan nya no kre e na mo ban so mo ye sei e na mo ban so bo se be sore no ni ye nya se be predas ababia enfrim no ma beto to papa so sa no mo kofi ba ha se ya ade o se ne se na ye ba be education no saying it here what is the way to go dey ne be ye ni edwen ho enne Ghana ba we ba no any 4 we ba no any 3 ye mati ene didi agrosa we have failed to discuss the major issues na sense of nationalism kaka enne Ghana ni one for ho and no man it no can even kid friendly kwame oba Oko school ba cartoon over town. The cartoon. Now say a lot of the things obesua apart from the whole obesua said you also any penny kasa. Also don't be silly cherem papa. Don't be silly catch on papa. No usia. But can any Jesus no upon school o change you how go diago. There are parks out there. Bibia o go diago and the parks no way. Foster. Omo wan na betinye nyeska. So go dia otia Ede ku diagro. Okobro ni kroma ye build a complex bia na playground ho. Because you sako. Police forge. How they are right. Bibi o ya jumi na ye bribe.
Emma miensa wo aka wo mo kwa ko.
Kwame. O de me sorry dey bebre ha.
Wa kan ye wo so kan. Wa kan sem bebre. Just in a nutshell, obi beka so wa summarize it asema wo say ye kan. But come to our show host anopa ade e beche and ade asa. Wherever you are and ade asa o Ghana. Wa point fi adwuma ochina wo be ko adwuma minim time a wo ko adwuma also TV a wo adwuma you make sure say you watch a morning show you say na invite NDC ni no they come and talk and Mahama did this and you people come you did not continue and Mahama did this and you people say now it is not better so you have cancelled it and now you two you have come in power. What are you doing about it? What are you doing? Sir, na diasa ni abon because yesu diagro media no so die diagro. Going to the show hostess who host these people. Tell a bright can come and make an example and say go for a back. Not say a roader. Let's talk about road. A quite person ye be faswa. Contractor ye kwanya ye be holding accountable. Man, it is education. We will know what to do. And the education, where see MPP buy the back of 4, where see NDC buy the back of 3. We don't know what we are to talk to Ghanaians and let Ghanaians show what is right for us, Debbie. And yes, son, Ghana for pen. Debbie, and yes, sir. Muma ya dream TV station, beer, radio station, beer, Kasa. Anka ye nya obi o ye MPP communicator metena ho no ni nua batu no mo kasa gbe no aka chere say we ye tani won ti asem ase sa asem we ye ka so at the end of the day they invite you ba show no so no there's no reason they do not do anything fruitful na Ghana for so aye show no ni eguafu ni adani commenters on Facebook social media ye need time dia ope. That is what is going on in this country, but it is time this has to stop. We have to be talking about things that will be progressive. Okay, Kumasi Kwano, ya ye duha. It is a say, Kwame, ye be yaman at Waso. It's a people in the bar, or see ye be ye Tigana from Mutumai. Then this in this counter. Ye be yo, ye be yabe to Waso. Epiamo, 6 million biaka. Sa, Nagana for press. We don't talk anything reasonable, Sebi. On the show, Kasa, na gale, send ye kind, said not just practical. We are not of what we know in book, no, and then on a Ghana, steadiness to God. They are applying that historical knowledge, and no, and San fast woe, and wisdom beyond San count. Yansan you to pet. It will be a Kasa progressively to Ghanaians. See, a bear was the show near in the air. When was the last time you went to a $1,000 park? And then we call it Sunderland Park. I am near go. And what done it Janai Bia? And uncomfort recently about rumors. A people person we have pequine near yet to if you're Sunderland Park. And so this is a president, this is a nation that our leaders will come and tell us they think about the youth, they think about the future of this country. If you will think about the future of this country, I will phobia will buy. Sebi or the education. But the first thing on who send a baby so be more akola ni je. And a colleague be any just one, and you send you dear grow fear. It's no penny be our back. No near Colano or what. Sacolani dear go no the tablet, dear go no to me can ha. You are creating environment and your kids friendly. They are creating a tone and paying for greediness. They want to use any ways and means to sell those properties. It's yet a allege and then see a person to if you're Sunderland Park. Baby, I work a crana. You better show my colonial general a hawker per quaton. And then, pass and then collabo bon colaco dia go cacra also. No more come mammy from money and poor cacra. Okay, or send me qua pack. Okay, or send me qua both pack. Okay, they are tuning a book a crano. And that's our passing now. Yet they are so deaf. Now so deaf no crano. Yet you are 3.5. A people 4 million just to play 2 hours ball. And Colana air ball, ever ball. Equally in our Ghana and a bebo ball. Passing in our sa. Now, so Uncle Quabro to remind moi. Yes, dear Cobo Bushaw. Yes, ya copiono. O Cobo Bushaw will be our Jenny Panini. There's no pack. And so Quabro, every community and a kind of a small environment be a who say your children's park. You're even baby, your boss are skate. Yes, skate in a sad way. skate no mu twi skateboard any the baako na nkola ne hye no mu di rolly yes I environment na ho nkola person mu bombe and parents have time to go and spend time at that place with the kids Ghana ebi wa debi ebi ni o mind na yetimu no ebi ni come on wakwa akra mo obekoko asa mo Jesus akotua subroni nya sade we free ni ayesi shoka krebi wo park bi so na nkola ni di agro obi a de be yesikeni na impo se akola be di agora afen na akola on weekend na bia busuani ana ne mama ne papa abre na o ma be fi o mesi nyoma kakra na o be so ye ba no opposite nearby your security man wo hwe akola no o be kodi akonde bi o de bi afen no sa be fa car we si nyoma wie na wa bre no na wa sa fa car na o de akola na kwa achimo te so m kodi agora we ye den ana ni bi a toys ayanhwe aye toys ayanhwe. They are telling silly and stupid things to their parents. Because when I collaborate with my papa, so don't be stupid. Don't be silly, Obeka. Cartoon, you know, Colonel who said, I collaborate with you to know so I don't say, but you too. And I'm winning. This is the kind of country we are living. And then, be a much educative. Yeah, be a see a bear sem. You better crabani or benny gugu. You better crabani or bet to my cockle to sand that diano, and the commerce class. No, we are the catch us or comedy. There's no. It's when I tell you that Ghanaians, our leaders are rendering us hopeless. See, especially from the case. Yes, Christ share the program as in Nejuma say. As 7 okay. Was the woman calling channel Brahmin chain, so he begin with case. It is a progressive country. Now to make dream baby and collaborate. How would the country grow? We wait for some colana one moment diagram. Almost and on Babe schools. Some colana one moment diagram, almost Babe universities. Some colana nim environment friendliness. They don't know it. They don't know and they don't have all this. It brand Kankam will do some make another video now where he was talking about the system of Ghana. Young Kony Unconscious video near there. And bring it back.
Unim sir, say Crīεd. Obe post in Nuzwa. A result to bribe.
Oi. What you be an answer? Muslim can
say Mitia Kakane say, Mammy started as youth advocacy.
Yeah, bro.
And ya and conform from no big can situation. Chanam can't not Kufuni be framing. Said they no come over. Because him. You see, unya ecosystem no supporter no so now ko feel be no vacancy. But so you're ready to part with 5,000 to 10,000 Ghana cedi. The next day, we are posting. Okay. That's the country we are living in. Now me 10,000 I'm posting. Now say me ko ha me 10,000 na ma me boka me nyima de. Eti system na you system na wo no. E training e maburu no say yenya kromfo.
The system is creating a way for the youth to be thieves. So when I tell you that our people or our leaders are rendering us hopeless, you should understand what I am trying to say. Our leaders, they are rendering us hopeless. I want you to play this video for me again. This is a sports show host saying this. That people are rendering their problems to him. Listen to what he said. Listen very well.
Unim sir, say Crīεd. Obe post in Nuzwa. A result to bribe.
Oi. What you be an answer? Muslim can
say Mitia Kakane say, Mammy started as youth advocacy.
Yeah, bro.
And ya and conform from no big can situation. Chanam can't not Kufuni be framing. Said they no come over. Because him. You see, unya ecosystem no supporter no so now ko feel be no vacancy. But so you're ready to part with 5,000 to 10,000 Ghana cedi. The next day, we are posting. Okay. That's the country we are living in. Now me 10,000 I'm posting. Now say me ko ha me 10,000 na ma me boka no say yenya kromfo.
We be say no e sha se eyene. Enya die na sa nyoma we sha se o. If you don't know, I am telling you today. Ebi ono na ende bright Kankam go to Ghana for in Colombia who say he has been talking on the show. On the show and ask him for some random problems. But let me tell you something. This thing that he was talking about even goes on villages. Because you have posted doctor environment there's no bungalow. There is no potable water. Or bread. It won't person over conti. He has to pay something to the executives of board that won't post this uncle for you. Near Genesis Accra. Near Genesis this urban areas be our quechira on Kotamale City brother half grassy be a city on your big that such a point on your that. So he will pay money. It on minor bribe. Not because of anything, because place na the panic one. Yes, they won't pay. Obey out of town. Wa go school. Na me just go up post me. I got to think pane. And na parkla na me so me there. Cause grand grass no. Ebi obi hospital. Ya painful nko. Obi enya malaria ba obe ko ti aba you don't know there malaria. Same applies to the police. Yet me post you to other places so. In penifobia ya mo post e so you be transfer. Once in a while, be blended cheska. Just for them to be kept to their position or the region they are. Omaya yetimuno. It in kwala omuba be pay juma o. Omaya juma me pies ko mo maami no papa ti o me ni fifire. Eju o ma go school. Se me mamu go school na mo mehwe e ofie. Na mo so mo nye penimpa. Na mo nye dachi pa no. Wo tua 5,000. Wo tua 10,000. Ansa ne ya ma posting. Na sa posting ni kran san fa mba promo. Ye do ko she baby. Na sa kole ko she sa baby ya. Do you want this person to be a patriotic person? It's in kola no ye youth na. Ni ye bo bra na ni ye blame ye mpanyifo. Ba o hwe san say me o hiani ba. Me ma me wo me bra ma bre. Hwe fia me film. Ma be ye nurse, ma be ye teacher, ma be ye lawyer, postimia. Now Simetina, what are you talking about? It is a mpanyifo no. They are rendering us to be hopeless because every tip is surely hopeless. You better tips. We don't have any future. That is what we have become. We don't have any future anymore. So be hopeless. So be hopeless. Fashion say with some time that person becomes useless. Because becoming hopeless, you don't have any future. It is a future anyway. You become useless because it is an opinion for person who render. It's a koya pay juma keke. A juma no pay wa buy juma mo. And yes, or private company no be pan say on try be no betu anika or cop just government institution. Na government institution you free minded obenya free chance. Of you betu my juma nya asemi the bebe ne be there. Obey juma till say that obewu no. Now patience any people be patriotic. How can these people be patriotic? Now can't speech to that Ghana for catch say don't be spectators. Don't be I mean, him said I kind of cry. What kind of country is this? I don't mind being I don't mind being. But coming to our penny for sure, what him say coming on? Obi because I didn't say you name your finance minister, you name to the extent say you name your party chairman, you name MPP. Everybody is with their phone. Everybody is sitting beside their TV, and everybody is serious with their radio. And I know my training and confosu buefu. Let's in there. When we saw the vice president once a month. Now can vice president ben ye kaka yen kai him say aboyedi. Say no more media ni mu nanim san kofo ya. Yes, I say bibi kakra wo ye bia na obi apeso kasa tia o. Ati ye kakra na say ya to ye to no. Omu nim say ewiase na oman na omu bu no. Eni bie na aba. They don't know that. They are not seeing say ni bie na aba o manim eni bie nipa na o mani abie nipa na o mani akọ echire e na asensem na ye omo ye no ye hu ni ntam. They don't know it na yes na we ya no mo ti ase asabe David dan kwa asabe o free mu ya me fi bi o. But you see how we are talking about it, though politically ye muamu ansem no so, but ayen nsem Ghana fo say mo na mo ye say e hye ye trim. Say no more when you now with the trim. Say no more when you now my you say this is what is going on. Eti what way? Ejuma send be retiree. Wa ko bo busua wo bank because ya ne bara ka chen said that ejuma na me pe no portals no na say ne be post me yesi me tua 10,000 say eh me be edwon so ko ejuma na edwon obenya kakra de abafie nti papa ne ba ko bobusua esi no all because of person banya posting wo mama and papa be question say me ba unye ska we because ejuma na we na sha say wo tumi nye ska we bi da can they question you have made all corrupt it dey pay for one kwa mo ye corrupt no omo ye ne na no mo create platform e be mo wan kasa owura ade ni mu wo be ye corrupt it already no be kan mo it wo already no udu a na wan dwene na asa obi wo hospital si a obi ye doctor obi a police na nyesa adwin we na na corrupt man we na also the ram ade mo obi a politician na nyesa no rikita o but obi who said this is how the system is going wan nya ne de no wan dwene ho a obi render ruthless ti ende ye nyam minister watwem pen e be ka tese ende osre na odi sam kwasa semu kaka ye kebi minister mo GS Grasha obi ka tese osre na odi nansi e ye fame na obi pay ya na ase de what me ha menti baby na me kasa I am here in Ghana and I'm talking to you. I am here in Ghana and I'm talking to you. Ambe render amayen ti ye bre you hu dia yem pese ye nye biu ti sa akola na wu ka chen so wu 5,000 Ghana cedis ti ubon sa akola no se ye betua no 2,000 for the first one ti akola no we school na okọ ejuma no for some 2 years no obey bed in the money business for because ne mama ne papa be depend so aka chen say ye na ehwe ukọ school hwe ye ti okọ school no so ye bema or so render say o san ko wale no nyo mba bi no mutina tena wa onye because also be share mama and papa and son because someone no boy no dey in school so this system does not work in other countries and then those are the people we say we are copying omo kwase ade ye de nya time ye copy eto de nya time ye kwase anyoma de nya time ye copy gay ni lesbian de nya ho kwan ye debate now so anyoma na amo mukro ma ye se ne aye fefefe no eno de debate a ye pay for catch dey say why are we debating about it I didn't think ye nya anu kra ne ye kasa we have to shut you down and yankopon sebe e be tua ye pay for ika na kwa brane a wo jisika say a system don't worry we thank God that the system of curse will also come upon them because nowadays we will not joke our math is a masterpiece ye da ye ko to dwelima upon whatever we come and do ye we pray the bia obi na se ye ntamfo ne ya bayinfo ye kansa omuto no bebile na ye mpinfo ya o sa o tamfo mi pompa ye gu mi su oni pembubu e minister of health ono ne sebe obetuma boma ye good post in the health institution no watena so no akofem kwabwane kwase bi omama nko school papa bia ne de won be hye sa post ti dia won chi sa sikei obechi e dia sen yale e woni fie. We are tired of these people. It is time we talk for them to know we are suffering. Again, it was therefore, but Kankam will end it. Nigeria, church in Simba, then continue.
And then to even get a chance to educate to Bano, Ayadumo. Ayadum because they say you're more to the level that the amount of money you pay to school, oh, I always say, Uti near Postina, obey you must 7 months in Janga. Ugobusa, there's a staff ID mine. Staff ID 7 months.
I did if you look on a bank
Mamina, or tell baby, we're school in the bar, or the banner connecting training, teacher training. Some member Yeduma, you postuna, while yet you must be so many in Trianica. None in the area. Acrano, only anomani in Quanta. And I saw it as a for us now. Utianye, ya postuno continency, which means the only free film code the bia. Into this Oma Crani high nine. It's nice a woman, me and Papa now. Someone in free. I shall obey school. And what's a wow, Sako Peposia? I go hide them out. Now to bed, sim mano. Now at least TV video. Obesim mano. Not the piano. What's a sendi a Kurani sika? So from Koye Jumana yen Janakan. Now, oh yeah, Kwame, so ko regimenim na connection wa undidi.
Bribe. See, na mama I had to say protocol. Sir. Ade. Did the bend the Unipanis company? And I will call us all over dance one more, and answer with P. But government company, and ya bring their deal. Sebi and ya Mahama deal. And ya Kufa deal. The country, and the chat and conform here, Juma were up into them. Into your money and Casa option in farm home. Say Juma copy, it is the idea. It's Yama all institutions in Ghana, phone in our Adania Conform. Obia dane kromfo na nya kakra do be wenwan kwala ti obia re adwuma mu aban adwuma mu kwade won nya konfo kwade kwan se obegige a do be make ska obemeki ti Ghana card ye bedu bia nkofo tua 250 Ghana ebi mu tua 500 Ghana adane passport etiene ope passport intentema no kwabra na atwa me goro man tua 10 million ye de be bande ya ti omo mbako salary se be omo ye moa Sade ni omu nyam card this omo twen wo de ebe ye card na ma that day na because we chase in the country and some the EP now say enemy team one say hey oja ebe she pain that we feel to see ya creative system I bribe disika ahina menya nkuha na woga I ain't a menya and a abagana. That is what we are feeling. That is what we are going through. I dare you feel your man. Aden died for the man with Adani Bimudi. Bobi no kind. Mudi moon cashing could do. Yan casting mudi moo among fire, but mudi moon cashing and good. They being for power. I don't know Sakunyana your multinational and now power no munyano. A true on my dream a normal sense no a Dania. Then I don't know. I'm asking number one person Baumia. Hey, we are sure say what be now the cassette now the other power. And you miss Kofi, we feel tamale. That me the more AC and I may catch us say aha. I Ghana Sam me a catch us say yet in some so. We say we will look for the betterment of Ghana. The things that is going on in this country, we will look for the betterment of it. And one year, we will surely one day have a better Ghana. We will leave a great example, not to be like this are corrupt people. Emma, that's the Emianon.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enu ensem e de amasan krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo ba e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasobo nsa se wo madwuma so ani ntino adansifo age wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma e danso na wontu sika engu de biara eda
Brofo wo wiase nyina ye beka kasa tio ekufu ade ba afofra no who see na brofo president wa ka brofo ene yate ho no ta brofo ne ebedie brofo obroni a obi o United Kingdom na United States no ye wo no brofo an wo ka ebi no abodam wo de ka brofo we yasam bro na brofo dia ben na sabi yenkura asesem bi na ka brofo dia ben saa ye didine saa ne hwi ni ho abibi ni tumi ye hwi ni we tumi ye
Bidai our bidai wampia bidai our bidai wampia mama abuso bidai our bidai wampia bidai our bidai wampia
Tigana ni ko university no wi abrofo kasa ni ache brofo aguetrim nyaka na sabe yenkura asesam obi ka brofo akwadi wo yade o ekufu ade ba afofra no who see na brofo president ene station no ye wo no brofo asesam bi na ka brofo dia ben saa ye didine saa ne hwi ni ho abibi
ya disikasu Kaba yanso. Dokru 1 city. Oba besi san. Ana dokru 3 city. Ya kanu manu gege. Ya disikasu. Kaba yanso. Dɔkuru 1 city. Ọba bẹ̀sísá mi. Ana dɔkuru 3 city. 1 city. Ọba bẹ̀sísá mi. Ana dɔkuru 3 city. Yẹ kanu manu gẹgẹgẹgẹgẹgẹ. Yẹ ti sika so. Yẹ bẹ yẹn sọ.